morning, everybody. My name's Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel. This is my daughter, Z. And today, Z is for Dania.
And I do homework.
She's doing some homework. No, we're not going to look at your homework right now.
Okay,
Hey,
bye.
y'all. We're going to do a cleaning video today. Clean with me here in the barn. Lord willing, if the creek don't rise, we're moving soon. Aiming, fingers crossed for August. August move-in.
And I got fireworks.
Yes, July 4th is coming right up, and we have our fireworks already. I try to get us some fireworks every year. Now, I want to move, and so I need to pack, clean, organize, wrap up this barn, get rid of stuff we don't need, and start over in a nicely decorated, decluttered house. And there's going to be a big, big room for John, and so we can put all his stuff in there. Have things become incredibly disordered in the barn because I've been so busy working on the new house. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely. Slipping between my fingers. By my standards, it's a hot mess. Terrible. Anyway, I'll be glad to put this chapter of our life behind us. This in between, this finishing up. You know, I will just be really happy to live in the new house instead of getting ready to live in the new house. So here's a little corner. Here's a little corner. I need to go through this. I've got a lot of books. Zinnia's teacher last year sent home a lot of stuff with her. A lot of books, which is great that children are being given books, but we already have so many books, and we go to the library probably 3 times a week. We were just not the people maybe to send home that many books with. So I need to read some to Zinnia and put some in the little free library. What are we going to keep? This one's a keeper. This one's a keeper. I will read you some books, and then we can move on with our lives.
How about my print time? Hello. 4. I'm 1 to 3.
Cindy's just carrying on, isn't she?
Me? Me talking to me?
I'm talking about you.
Huh?
I said you're just carrying on, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just had to go.
Y'all, I moved my vacuum to the new house and my broom to the new house. I don't even have a vacuum or a broom in this house right now, if you can't tell. What has become of me? Y'all know I'm famous for my vinegar cleaning solution. Water, white vinegar, a little bit of essential oil, just a dab of dish soap. Not too much dish soap. That's the only mistake people make. If you get too much dish soap, it makes things streaky. With just a dab, it's good to go. Now, of course, with my natural cleaning solution, I also buy natural dish soap. I can put these paper towels in my compost. I'm going through things, and this is a huge part. I've done a lot of videos, a lot of videos since I got rid of probably 70% of my material possessions.
And also get rid of my candy wrapper.
And I got rid of Zinnia. Zinnia was hoarding candy wrappers as like a diary of each piece of candy she'd ever eaten in this box. So it's full of candy wrappers. Anyway, we decided to let go of the candy wrapper collection. But there was a point in my life when I lived in a big giant house. I used to be married, and it was all wrong. Everything in that situation was wrong. And I got rid of 70% of my material possessions as I was leaving that house. And it was transformative. Great important thing in my life. And so now, you know, the Marie Kondo, Does It Spark Joy? If you haven't read that book, you obviously should. But it's a basic concept. It's a basic concept that she has really, you know, The Magic Art of Tidying Up, I think is the name of her book. She's really harnessed that concept into her own brand. You know, does this thing spark joy? Do you need it? Okay? But it's a basic concept. It's basic. It's how to live. And it's how many people live. And it's very good. It's intentional. So the way I most like to refer to decluttering and getting rid of stuff is, does this serve me? Does this serve me? Does this serve me at this point in my life? And it will change. It needs to be reevaluated. What serves you in your life, in your material possessions, at this point, on this day? What serves you? And do not get hung up. Do not get hung up on, well, one day I'll need it. Well, one day it will serve me. One day I'm going to lose the weight. One day I'm going to read this book. One day this is going to be who I am. No. You'll get what you need in the future if you really need it. Okay, so what serves you now in your life? And if you've got children, what serves them now in their life? Anyway, purposeful, intentional. When I'm not fixing up extreme fixer-upper, I will go through and do this probably once a month. I am always letting go of things. Now, I have John, I have my 2 children who bring things into the house as well. So, if it was just me, then I could be more intentional about what I bring into the house and maybe not have to reevaluate my house each month and get rid of a bag of stuff each month. But it's not just me. So a lot of things come in. It's amazing the amount of things that come in to your home. But you also need to be taking things out of your home. Very important to me in my life. One of the ways that I have achieved better mental health, one of the ways that I've been achieving my goals in my life, in my finances, in everything. Nothing is possible without a strong foundation of your home life. Whatever your home life is, you need to look at that first before you can really start making big changes in your life. You need to change your home life if you're trying to make big changes in your life. Declutter, simplify, beautify, be intentional. Well, this corner is like so much cleaner. I got a huge stack of books to put into the little free library, and it's coming up on lunchtime. We're gonna go do something fun for 4th of July tonight, but I still need to go over to the Fixer Upper house today. So this is a lesson on when you're busy, get one corner done. cleaning, decluttering, it builds like a snowball rolling down a hill. Do a little bit, just get started. Can you do just one drawer today? I'm so serious. I've been through this journey my own self. Can you do one corner? Can you do one, just the hung clothes in your closet? Can you do just one little thing? You'll be glad you did. And then the next time you'll do another little thing. And then you've got 2 done, and it will build and build and build. And then you get back to the point I was, where you just do like a monthly sweep and end up with a super orderly house, which leads to, I promise you, good mental health. At least it don't hurt. It helps. It really, really helps. Love you guys. Go declutter something.
Bye.